Do I really need the Jordan 11 lows, Breds? I have these. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? We're back at you with another video. In this video, the Jordan 11 low Breds are coming out this weekend. I am on the fence about that shoe because I do already have Jordan 11 Bred highs in my collection. And these are on its last leg. I'm not gonna lie, like I had these for a while. I think this one came out, let's see, manufacturer's date. So these came out in 2001. This is a very old pair right here. This is on its last leg. That's why I'm on the fence about these shoes. You can see the patent leather is starting to come off from the sole. It's starting to separate right here on the sides. I don't know if you can see that right there. So that's why I'm on the fence about picking up these 11 lows. But then again, I already have two other lows in my collection right here. The Space Jams is recently released that I haven't worn yet. And then a few years back, we did get the 72 and 10s. As you can see, the little Jordan Jumpman on the back. That's the only difference. One's like the red team and the other one's the blue team. Keep in mind, one of the biggest differences is the patent leather on this shoe right here. Space Jams is pretty much patent leather. If we look close, we can see those speckles right there on the 72 and 10s. One of the major differences of the two shoes, despite having that red on the back, and then looking at the bottoms, we do see that they do have different outsoles. One of them has the red. Probably would have been better if they had some red hits at the bottom, on these pods right here, but it is what it is. So I already have two black lows, and that's why I'm on the fence, because I didn't know if I needed a third, low like this. Imagine this shoe in a low. Like now I have three black patent leathers. But let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments, Sneakerheads. But you see my predicament. I do rock the 11 lows, and I do think that these are probably more comfortable and easier to wear than the highs as far as casually wearing them. But since I had these so long, these are worn out, and the upper ballistic mesh is very soft. I can wear these all day and I won't have an issue wearing them. The crazy thing about these is this pair is a size 9, and then like over the time, I guess Jordan Brand has started making these shoes a little bit more narrower, because now I have to wear a size 10. So it is kind of crazy looking back at as far as the fit on these shoes, how times have changed. But let me know down your thoughts and opinions about these. Should I go ahead and cop the 11 lows, or should I just go ahead and hold off, since these two shoes are similar to the Breds? Pretty much the only thing different is instead of having that clear outsole at the very bottom, they're red. You can see it right here. I mean, it's basically what it's going to look like. One of them's going to have that red tinted outsole, and the other one's not. So I don't know. Maybe I can do a sole swap on these, but no, I take that back, because these are size 9 and these are 10. So I do take that back. But I mean, if I change out the sole, I would have technically a Bred 11. So, but I know I'm not going to do that. But let me know down in the comments, are you planning to cop these Bred 11 lows? If you do, we wish you the best of luck. And again, I'm still on the fence. Only time will tell if I get these. Maybe if I get them from the retail, I may just go ahead and pick them up still. But appreciate you as usual. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that bell for notification and subscribe to the channel, Sneakerheads. Until next time, we'll see you.